I cannot believe my eyes. Are we really seeing this, guys? Are we really seeing this fucking big government? Seriously? Are you buying all those stories? It's all fucked up. Like, honestly. Like, honestly. Honestly, honestly, honestly. If you're a Kakamping, if you're a DDS, and if you're a BBM, whatever, pinagrolo ko lang tayo ng mga politicians na to. And we are actually buying everything na binibigay nila sa atin. Why? We deserve over a million, guys. Each individual over a million. Can you imagine? Mas malaki pa yung kinukurap nila. Okay, it's not just even, it's just an agency. DPWH agency. How much more kung isasama na natin yung BIR, Customs, DOH, and all others? Marami pa pong agencies na namumurakot. Kung mismo yung mga leaders ay namumurakot, sinusunod po ng mga peste, mga employees na nasa gobyerno na yan. I'm telling you. It's so fucked up. This is a messed up government of the Philippines. From top to the bottom. Nakakainis. Ano nakakainis? I had a friend working in a government, and he was the one who told me, yung kasama niya, she's a JO, yung kasama niya irregular, pumapasok na late. Tapos pagpapasok, she will be out kasi nagbibenta ng kung ano-ano. And then, pagbalik niya, tapos na yung trabaho. Can you even blame them? We have leaders who are doing the same. They're not doing their job. Sa DONE naman, yung mga companies, yung na dapat sana tayo ay nagre-reklamo sa kanila. Pero sila mismo, yung agency na to, sila mismo, hindi nila tinatrato na maayos yung mga empleyado nila. What the F? What the F? Kaya, tayong mga Pilipino, tayong mga hampas lupa na sa tingin nitong mga punyetang mga leaders natin, they thought na mabipili lang talaga tayo ng 100, 200 during elections. Masaya na tayo. Please, never ever accept these bribes. Kasi malaki yung naiipon nila ng mga punyeta nitong mga bullshit. We deserve a million or over a million each. Trillions. They're stealing money, trillions of money from us. Ginagawa nila tayong gago. Ginagawa nila tayong mga, when they are all rotten, when they're all like bins, when they're all trashes, they're all hellish leaders. They're all corrupt leaders. They're all robbers and thieves of the Philippines.